Alright, how's it going? Jesus Christ, I haven't spoken that much today. Alright, so, today we're going to be finishing the game loop. We basically got everything that we need to close the game loop. We got the wave spawning, we just need a player death, a game over screen, and a start menu, I guess. Let's start with the start menu. We're just going to go the easiest way of doing it, which is just creating another scene. And, yeah, let's do that. New scene. Main menu. That's gonna be good enough. I don't think we need it to be too fancy. We can, as always, we can come back and make it look better later. So, the home page, what are we gonna do? I suppose we're gonna use the same one we used in the original, hey? Not the same, we'll make it a bit different, but we can use the same assets. I actually have no idea where I've stored the, I'm using it as the screen, you know, the back in a sec screen. I don't know where I put it though. Ah, there it is. Alright. Textures, UI, we're gonna bring that in. I also have a bunch of other stuff we can bring in. I think, somewhere. Not that one. I could have sworn I had had a folder here with there's a bunch of different UI sprites. Ah, here it is. Don't really have that many, actually. Most of them are pretty useless. I don't think we're going to use them. Yep. Alright, yeah, so some menu boxes. We'll bring in the hit marker, why not? Hit marker, and we also have these. I don't know which ones look better, but some crosshairs. Alright, either way, we're not going to use those yet. These ones here, we're going to need to set up as sprites. Is it sprite? Probably, right? Single. There's something that we can do. Jesus, with the hiccups. Not really. It's more of a burp, wasn't it? Anyway, there's a way we can do it to generate the texture shape. Hang on, save. Okay, let's just start making this. We won't need the directional light. We will need a UI. I think, yeah, we can just call it main canvas. And we're gonna have a background, which is going to be this image. I haven't set it up. Alright. Yeah, so how are we going to scale this? So the background, we definitely want to preserve aspect. Damn. Okay, not that. Okay, how do we do this? We need it to match the height of the screen. Right? How do we make this always stretch to fill? No, not filled. That's not what it means. Look, I can't say that I've done a lot of... a lot of UI work. So... Currently I've made it so that the aspect is free. Should I make it so that it's 16 by 9? So then that removes the problem. But like, do I want it to be bound by 16 by 9? I don't feel like I need to have it bound. I'm not sure, honestly. We'll keep it as free aspect for now, and we'll see if we can try and figure something out. Oops. Right, you can see when I go too wide, it does that. So, wait, hang on. I could Google this, but I do kind of like to mess around with it a little bit. I like to try and figure it out. So, like, as at this point here, it would need to... It would need to be, like, that scale. Is there a way to make it overfill rather than underfill? I don't know how else to sort of say that. That's almost it. It's this that needs to be modified somehow. I don't know how. So I think I need to add a script to this or something. Is there anything in the UI? Alright, let's have a little Google. Let's have a little Google. We can do that. Right. Unity main menu background. Why are you howling? Bloody hell. Yeah, no, I think it's a bit, I don't know, a little bit specific. Screw it, we're getting distracted and I'm going to write a little script to scale it. Where did that just create it? Did that just create a script somewhere? No, it didn't. What the hell was that? What? Create script. Jesus, it just didn't do that. Okay. We're going to call it background scaler. I'm going to put it on this. Oh, sorry. Getting ahead of you. My bad. My bad. My bad. Alright. Alright, so for now... Also, what was that? Yeah, I get this error all the time. Special characters, but like I don't get it. Project directory. But the projects directory, I'll just straight up show you. Hang on. when I find it. Yeah, it's just in like my GitHub folder. Documents, GitHub, rebuilt to protect. The only special character, is it the semicolon? Does it not like that? And if so, I think it... Yeah, it has both. Maybe that's what it is. But like, how do I even change that at this point? Like, I feel like if I change that, I'm gonna break so much stuff. If I rename the folder, I'm gonna break everything. Can't just do that. I don't know what the hell to do. Don't know. Doesn't actually cause any problems, besides just being annoying. But okay, back to the scaler. So, go away. And for now, we're just going to take in a... I need to stop doing public by default. So we're going to go serialize field. And it's going to be a... What do we need? A canvas, I guess. And then we're just going to like debug dot log... Oh, how do we do this? Canvas size or something like that? It's got to have some sort of variable. Size, scale factors. What is the scale factor? That's going to be... What is there? Bet you it's called like... Oh, wait, no, there's like... Yeah, it's going to be something to do with the camera that I actually need to care about, isn't it? It is. So hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Camera. Cam.resolution. Rect. Resolution. Size. Okay, fine. I'll look through them again. Aspect. I'm curious. I mean, that's going to be a ratio, right? Oh no, it's just going to be a float based on the width. Oh, okay. It's not going to show me. Alright. Ignore the dogs. Alright, so maybe we can do pixels. New vector to cam.pixel. You know what, let's just do cam.rect. What does that give us? Currently we're just hunting... Yeah, alright, we'll just do size. Would this give us the resolution? I don't know what this gives us. Also, we want to add run in edit mode. What's it called again? Execute in edit mode. Okay, not what we're looking for. What is that? Yeah, no, not what I want. What's aspect? What are we getting? That's just gonna be a float, right? Yeah. Okay, so what if we were to go match height? Why isn't that working? Alright, so what if we move the pivot down there? I'm on the wrong side of this, by the way. So it starts there in the bottom left corner, right? Can we match width? No. Wait a second, what if we do game object panel? How do you spell panel? Panel. I'll take that. Okay, we take. Why did I do that? That's so dumb. I have. Alright, what if we do game object dot transform dot rect? How do I get specifically a UI objects rect? Like, it's that, right? But I can't do transform. It's been a while. Alright, hang on then. Google. Unity get rect transform. I don't need to resize objects. I need to... I feel like this is so stupid. I just don't remember how to do this. So transform.rect is a thing. Yeah, except it's not. Alright, what if I do that? It gets mad at me, but tell me it reckons it's real. Yeah, see? No accessible extension. Where am I meant to be looking? I've done this before. I just can't remember how the hell I did it. Oh, this is so frustrating because I know it's possible. And I know I've done it a million times before. I just have no idea how I did it. I'm completely blanking on that. Yeah, cam.rect. I don't know, man. I just don't know. I don't freaking know. I don't really care about that at the moment. I don't want to mess with it. Okay. I just got it, didn't I? Okay, I can get the screen. Wait, I just remembered. Jeez, it just hit me. Okay, so we got that. Now we need to know the size of the panel. So what if we do transform dot scale, local scale? What does that give us? Probably just 1111, right? Yeah. I want to get that. I want to get these numbers. How do I access them? Alright, so rect transform equals, what happens if I do this? Get component rect transform. I feel like I shouldn't have to do this. But what does that give me? Oh shit. Okay. Alright. Now we need to set the width. Okay, just trying to think of the math I have to do here. So, if we just go rect transform dot height. Okay, we're gonna go rect. In the same way that you modify position, we're gonna do this. We're gonna then modify the rect. So rect dot height equals screen dot height. And then we say rect transform dot rect equals rect. Okay, how do I modify the rect? Son of a bitch. Thought I was onto something there. Or do we not have to? Is it the mere fact that I'm referencing it there enough? And that, like, I'm now already instancing. Nope. Nope. Alright, so if I do this, and then scale it, Okay. Okay, that's perfect. So in this scenario here, where the width is... So we need the ratio of the... Okay, hang on. Thinking out loud a little bit. So in this scenario, when it's wider than the picture is, we need to multiply it by the difference in their thing. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Okay, so we need to figure out... We need the ratio of the image, which I think is 16 by 9. It's just a regular 1080p image. Okay, so we need serialized field. We need a vector2 reference resolution. Maybe. I am so bloody tired. My brain isn't ready for this. Marley, what are you doing? Bloody dog jumping up against me, Veen. Oh. Pirate Software's live. Nice. Okay. Alright, so if we do screen.aspect. No, that's camera.aspect, sorry. Oh, and also, sorry, before we do that, I'm gonna duplicate that though, I do just so we don't have to change it. What was the one that we did before? That there was giving us the actual image size, wasn't it? Alright. So can we get the rect.aspect? Well, we can say float rect aspect. Shit, I feel like this is simple math, but my brain is fried and I just keep unraveling it in my head. That doesn't matter because this is going to just literally give us... Alright, we'll calculate it, but I'll show you. I just realized what this is actually going to do. So, screen rect dot width divided by rect transform dot rect dot height. Cool, these are both that. Alright. Get rid of this, and we're going to say cam equals plus that. And then we're going to say panel. Did I spell that right? No. Plus rect aspect. And they're going to equal the exact same thing. Because as it sets it to full up here. Yeah. So what we need this to do, rather than stretching, we can't have it stretch. We do it like this. We set its pivot down to the bottom. Its height has to match the whatever. Okay, set native size. Let's do it like this.